Right, so we're going to do the smoked mackerel, and first we're going to have to fillet the mackerel, and of course nothing gets by Fish Cat. He's like, yeah, I'm here, get cutting up. Right, so we're going to take just a couple of nice big mackerel, going to run the knife all the way down like so. You don't worry about the centre bone yet. That, and then so. And what you do is you take the fillet off like that, get under where the belly is, take that away, that'll remove the bone there like that. And what I do is, you don't have to, but I like to get rid of the bones, so run the knife down the centre like that. You just grab that there and you pull it out like that, and that's it. One nice fillet ready to go on the smoker. Right, I'll just do the other three and then we'll get to the smoking. And of course Fish Cat will be having a bit of fish as well. Don't knock the camera over now. Yeah, you're doing it again. You cannot contain yourself around the fish, eh? Don't eat that. It's got bones in. We'll sort you a bit out in a minute. Right, so fillet's done, cat sorted. Just go and give these fillets a rinse and then we'll get to the smoker. Was that good? You enjoyed that? There's no more. This is mine now. Yeah. You've had your bit. Yeah, you've had your bit. Right, so what we do now they've had a rinse, get a bit of salt, sprinkle it on, put as much as you like on. I like quite a bit. Like so. So this here is a fish smoker. Well, this is a pan. It's got a little bit of chipping still in there. So yeah, this is the pan. Now normally it would go on top of this. It would stand on top of this frame, but the frame's bust because it got crushed. So we're not going to use that. And what you would do is you'd get a little pan, a little dish, metal dish, which goes under that as this sits up here, and you'd burn some methylated spirit. And that methylated spirit would be measured out that it would burn for so long, 10-15 minutes, and that would be enough to burn your wood chippings and smoke your fish. So what you do with this is you put a layer of wood chippings in the bottom here. You then get this dish and shove it on. This is how I remember it. I might be getting this completely wrong. When you put that dish in, it's a bit misshaped, like I say, because I crushed it. So I'll put that in straight, and then you put that into there like that, and then you put your fish on top of here. Which slides on like this. Although again, I'll probably just wedge it on because it's a bit squishy. So there is your fish smoker. Right, so first things first, we're going to need some wood chippings, and this is them here. Now you can normally buy this, I think you can get these from tackle shops or wherever they sell fish smokers. You'll get this. I'd be very careful if you use it from, say, wood workshops, because they use MDFs and chipboard and all that. There's a lot of glues and stuff in that wood, so you'd be better off buying the proper stuff. Then what you do is you take this, you just sprinkle it along the bottom like that. Now the art with this is, you don't want to put too much chippings. Now I say you don't, I don't like it when it's too much smoke, because it gets too strong, and the last time I did it like that, when it was too strong, and I really didn't like it at all. So you just want a light smoke, you might say. That's, I'll give it a little bit more. That'll probably do it like that. Okay. So what we do now is we put this on. Again, there's normally another thing like this, but again it's broken. I could really do with a new fish smoker. Put that in like that, that'll do. And we put that into there. Assuming I can remember how to do this, it's been a long time. And now, we'll just get our stone. And like I said, normally you'd have that frame underneath it with a little bit of methylated spirit in the dish, but we're going to use this. It'll work just as well, as long as we keep the heat down, like so. Right. So here's our fish. Now this has been standing with the salt on it for 30 minutes, something like that, not that long. So what we do now is we put our fish in here, like so. Do the trick. And we shove the lid on. Now I wonder if I can actually slide this on, or if it's going to be too tight. I really need to sort of hammer it flat. Yeah, that's going to be a bit tight, so I'll do it this way. Not ideal, but I can still put it on like so, like that. Yeah, that's fine. That'll be good enough for what we're doing. Now we turn it on. Okay, that's on. And now we'll leave that for around 10-15 minutes, somewhere around there. Should be long enough. Right, so I've given these 15 minutes because my smoker's, like I say, a bit broken. So just need something to grab the lid because it's hot, hot, hot. There we go. 4 lovely smoked mackerel. Now you'll see that they're brown, but they're not overly brown. Now if you want to make them more brown, you just add a bit more wood chippings. Like I say, I prefer my mackerel not overly smoked. I find it, like I say, it's too overpowering. But this will be perfect. But I'm not going to eat them now because I'm going to be putting them on a plate, letting them cool down, and then later we'll have them when they're cold. And it will probably be a smoked mackerel sandwich or something. If you haven't tried that, you should. It is delicious. This one's a bit stuck. And the last one. There we go. Smoked mackerel. Delicious. There you go. One mackerel sandwich. Perfect. That is perfect. Not too smoky, absolutely perfect. Have to make some more of these.